Good morning, Ayush. Please take out your Mulberry book and come to the chapter 4, page number 43. Okay. Today we will do I was walking down the road. What do you mean by I was walking down the road? আমি যখন রাস্তা দিয়ে হাঁটছিলাম. At that time, what all happened? This story is all about that. We come to the next page. A girl was walking and what all she met and what all she did. The story is all about that. Okay? See. I was walking down the road. Then I saw a little toad. Toad is also a form of a frog. I caught it. I picked it up. She caught it and she picked up the toad. I put it in a cage. Then what she did? She put the toad in a cage. Okay, ekta pinjrate rekhe dilo. See what happened? The toad went jumping and she finally sat on the cage. I was looking at the sky, then I saw a butterfly. Now when she was looking at the sky, there she saw a butterfly. She started chasing the butterfly. Okay? The butterfly started revolving around her head and then sat on her head. I caught it and I picked it up. Then she put the net on her head and the way she catched the butterfly. I put it in a cage. She also put the butterfly in a cage. Come to the next page. I was cleaning up the rug. Then I saw a little bug. When she was cleaning up the rug is the carpet thing. And when she was cleaning it up, there below she saw a bug. I caught it. I picked it up. She caught the bug and picked it up. And then the bug, I think looking at the picture, we can see the bug was also flying here and there and she was trying to catch it up. And there she catches the bug and she put it in the cage. I put it in a cage. So she put the bug also in the cage. I was waiting for the mail. She was waiting for a mail. Then I saw a little snail. While she was waiting for the mail, there she saw a snail came and climbed up her toe. I caught it. I picked it up. I put it in a cage. What she did? When she picked up the snail, there the postman came and gave her the mail. She took the mail and she put the snail, even her shoe, see, because the snail was on the shoe, she did not touch the snail. She directly জুতোটা খুলে ফেলে snail শুদ্ধ ওটাও কেজে পুরে দিল. Come to the next page. I was sweeping up the house. Then I saw a little mouse. When she was sweeping, she was mopping, she saw a mouse. I caught it up. I picked it up. I put it in a cage. She put the mouse also in the cage. The next page. I was reading something very funny. Then I saw a little bunny. I caught it up. I picked it up. I put it in a cage. She put the rabbit, the bunny also in the cage. What is she offering to the bunny? A carrot, because bunny loves carrot. I was pushing a wheelbarrow. Then I saw a little sparrow. When she was pushing the wheelbarrow to cut the grass or to take something to the garden, there she saw a little sparrow. What she did? She caught the sparrow with that bucket. I caught it up, I picked it up and I put it in a cage. She put the sparrow also in the cage. I was looking at my pets. Then I saw them looked at me. I sat a while. I thought a while and then I set them free. So these all animals and birds and insects she already put in a cage, and she was looking at all those, and what she saw that everybody is very sad in the cage, because whenever we are stuck in a cage or we are stuck in a place, we feel very sad. What she did, she at once set them free. ও সবাইকে পিঞ্জরা থেকে খাঁচার থেকে মুক্ত করে দিল, সবাইকে ফ্রি করে দিল। কেন? সবাই খুব ঝিমিয়ে পড়েছিল, সবাই খুব স্যাড ফিল করছিল। ওকে, so this is the chapter, and at the back of the chapter there are some fill in the blanks and all. I think you can do this. Here are pictures of some of the animals that the girl caught. Match the animals to the places where the girl found them. Where did she find the snail, toad, mouse and the sparrow? You then match this. Okay, what did the girl use to catch these animals? The butterfly she catched with what? This net. The bunny was eating what? The carrot. And the sparrow she caught, she was taking the bucket in what? Wheelbarrow. So you will do number 1, number 2. This I will give you. You don't need to write this. This also I will give you. This you can try to do the word jumbles. Here are some jumble words of things you saw and read about in the text. Read the clues and unscramble the words. We walk on it. We walk on what? Road. So this is road. Wide and blue, sky. The postman puts mail in it. What? Letter box. These are all jumble. You write the answer here. We use it to sweep a room. What? It is a broom. But I think the spelling there is wrong. Okay, because she was sweeping it with a mop. Broom here. No, the spelling is okay. B-R-O-O-M. Okay, it's fine. Broom. So you write here broom. So you do this one also. Okay. Till this you do 1, 2 and this word wall. You complete this and show me. Okay. Bye.